Good morning students, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about a new topic of 10th class science, scattering of light. So do you know what is the meaning of scattering of light? Scattering of light means deviation of the light from its original path or from its state path. This phenomena is called scattering of light. Okay, so how this scattering of light take place? So suppose it is any incident ray, or we can say that it is any ray of light. Whenever it will strike on any small size particle, like this particle may be dust particles, smoke particles, fog particles, or maybe even molecule of the any gases. So whenever this ray of light will strike on these particles, or we can say that these particles will come in the state or original path of this straight light. These after striking this ray, it will scatter, or it will deviate in all possible direction, and this phenomena is called scattering of light. So scattering of light is a natural phenomena that is occurs naturally in our earth atmosphere or in the nature. So due to scattering of the light, many naturally phenomena like Tyndall effect, color of the clear sky, and color of the sun at the time of sunrise and sunset, these phenomena can be explained with the help of the scattering of light. So in this video we will study about first phenomena, Tyndall effect, that is due to scattering of light. So what is Tyndall effect? Tyndall effect, it is a natural phenomenon that is occurring, or that can be explained with the help of this phenomena, scattering of light. So we can see that parts of the light beam become visible on passing through a colloidal solution or a suspension due to scattering of light. This phenomena is called the Tyndall effect. Here is this activity is demonstrated. Activities that it is any source of the light. From this source of the light this light is coming, and it is passing through any colloidal solution or a suspension that is taken in a beaker. That is, a beaker is made up by glass transparent medium. So this light that can propagate through this transparent medium. So whenever this ray of light will pass through this colloidal solution or suspension, path of the light will become visible. Why? Because these colloidal solution or suspension, it is having very fine particles. So whenever this light will strike on these fine particles, light will scatter on all possible direction, and these scattered light will come toward our eye, or this scattered light will enter in our eyes. So that's why we will able to see these small particles in any colloidal suspension solution, or path of light will become the visible for us, and this phenomena is called the Tyndall effect, and that this Tyndall effect is occurring due to scattering of light.